Hello folks, this is Blue Bonnet, and today I'm going to talk about the temperature controller. As you see, the brand name is Inkbird. Model name is 308S freezer temperature controller. Actually, this one is a premium version. It can do temperature controller, either cooling and heating, both. Versus this one is only for heating, like a animal hatch, egg, hatcher, that kind of the sheltered environment is suitable for that, right? So I mistakenly purchased this one. Actually, I need some device cooling temperature controller, and this is the one. So don't be confused. Amazon sell this both of the product, and this is slightly higher. So once again, ITC308S. Make sure check the keyword cooling in the title section before you order, okay? And many people confuse of ordering. I did it too. So don't be confused and make sure order the correct one. All right. So let me tell you, explain you how to use it. And this one, so I found the manual, so I'm going to share the URL for you guys, okay? So this one, so how to control the temperature for cooling, okay? I skipped. Okay, let me see here. So these two is the biggest part. The socket has one is a cooling socket and one is heating socket, the plug socket, and it powers off and on, shuts off, and using the sensor input. And this one, number two, a setting value, okay, the base temperature, and this is the process value, that is like kickoff, the temperature, where it start power on, okay, kind of switching, so switching the temperature. So let me see, so you can set how to set, let me show you my video quick. So I purchased a cheap the freezer at Costco.
Folks, as you see, the freezer high sense control of the temperature controls, an LED here, and nice and good size. Bought in Costco, I believe is under 200. But using this freezer, using a sensor of,
Yeah, this is sensor.
the temperature controller, Inkbird. I made it as refrigerator, not a refrigerator. For me, mainly for kimchi refrigerator, because kimchi itself it should not be frozen. So normally it's recommended as between 0 to 2 degrees Celsius, as slightly above not to be freezed. Okay, so the sensor has come to
Yes, I put a sensor head inside of the freezer.
I set it as a base temperature is 0, and this is a kickoff temperature. So meaning is, if it reaches 2 T degrees Celsius, then it power. Okay.
The cooling here.
This is heating and cooling plug. So this microcontroller shuts off power here by the data from the sensor. So when the temperature inside of a freezer reach to T degree, then it power on, so that cooling down to the target temperature, 0 degrees Celsius.
So once again, when it comes to down to 0 degrees Celsius, it powers off the refrigerator because they know the current temperature inside by the sensor, right? And if powers off state, the refrigerator, the freezer, temperature will go up as time goes on, right? And then when it reaches to 2 degrees Celsius, that's my setting, then it power on refrigerator. So that's why the temperature is to be managed between 0 to target like 2 degree. This is what I did. But of course you can change this value or this value, whatever you want, right?
So you can maintain between 0 to 2 degrees Celsius. Of course you can change the temperature whatever you want, right? For the cooling, heating, vice versa. So meaning is you can set, let's say you want to warm the chicken egg or the animal shelter, yeah, accordingly, yes. But this model, you can use it for warming and cooling, both. So normally kimchi refrigerator cost approximately 1,000 and 1,500. Really expensive, the Korean brand, but I converted very cheap solution. On 200 freezer itself, Hisense, I think it's a Chinese brand, and this one under 50 bucks. So very cheap solution and working very fine. And my wife using it as a kimchi refrigerator plus all of extended refrigerator compartment. All right. Thanks for watching, folks.
So so when you buy, make sure it has a cooling socket. Okay, it must be shown like this. Okay, the different one, the lower version, only the heating. It doesn't have that cooling sign, the cooling words on the plug. Okay, plug socket. So make sure that. Yeah, so I've been using it for more than 2-3 months so far, and it works fine. I save approximately $1,000, so I'm really happy with this. All right, thanks for watching.